Hello everybody, I am Shrantal, the creator of ApoTHEOSeS. Today I will show to the gentleman how to wear and adjust the sneaker, the shoes over the feet. It can be a mesh or classic feet. So let's go to my whole div. I have created this avatar, the male for adjust my clothes and my creation. Is my model. So I just finished to create the new sneaker. So Dave got the box because he received it inside the object. He gonna right click on the recent tab to find it back fast. You buy, you open your inventory, you go to recent. What you bought is just there on object. You right click and you add. So after you have had, you just click and you accept. This will go inside your recent tab, and there is the folder. You right click and you detach. You can put the box inside the folder. Like this you will retrieve fast if you need a copy. Inside the folder you will notice several shoes. Each shoe is done for special mesh fit. The one is fit mesh, it will be made specially for the slink or add-in or any put. But if you go to Johnny, it's no rigid, so it's adjustable. But the shape is for Johnny feet, so it will be easier for Johnny feet signature to not Johnny but signature. Sorry, but it's the same. The other signature feet can wear it too. So you just right click and add. You got here the left, right click and add. You can notice it's not exactly positioned at the right place because different avatar have different length, size, and it's no rigid. So you will have to adjust yourself two ways. One is to push up. But sometimes when we push, what we notice, the trouser is too long and is going conflict. So the best way to do is to hide the part of your feet. So open your HUD, hide body part, and hide the little part you need. If you go to section, it will hide all plot. It's too many. So you go to the part, and you can hide just the section you want. Sometimes you cannot exit because you go over your body. You right click from your inventory and you exit from there. It will be easier. Even we have put at the right place, we can notice it go inside the body. So we have to resize it. Just click to touch. Put at 5% more. Another 5. I think this will be bigger. Too much big. We push. Oh, maybe not. No, it's alright. So do the same for the other side. Plus 5. Sure was not too much. No, we'll need another one. Touch again. Plus 5. I think it's good. Okay, though. Now we want to be sure it's the same level. So go edit your shoes and go to here on the Z. Just highlight, copy. Go to the other side, highlight and right click and paste. You will be sure it's a good level for the both shoes. Perfect. Also, you can if you have a big gap here over the shoes, you can edit your body and adjust your size of feet. How you do it? Right click, appearance, edit shape. Sometimes the HUD closes like that, so you have to open. Foot size on the legs. You have body, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, chin, torso, and legs. So adjust the size. You see, you can make large or small. It's L to adjust. When you finish, you save back. After you use the HUD for color as you wish. So inside your folder, you have the HUD for the sneaker. You right click and you add. You click to open the HUD, and then what you notice is texture is gonna go to the color shoes. So it's white sneaker, turquoise, red, dark blue marine, green, black, let's see, marine blue, navy, no, this is army, sorry, black, golden black. Also, you can change the base. Here I put the line. You can modify and do the kind of base you wish with your sneaker to suit your trousers or your outfit, if you're kind of sport equipment. I did the country flag too, so let's try the Canadian. Also, the Quebec, where I'm born, and you have the USA. You will notice the flag is opposite. I accept it because it's fit mesh. Okay, the flag it's opposite because I accept it because it's the direction of the flag with the wind can be seen with different way. It's not unrespectable, it's just because it's a flag, it can be left or right for myself. Okay? Some country have reverse flag like Canada, and this, no problem which way you look. Okay? Also, I create 3 logo, one for the Canadian team of hockey, England football, and the Soccer International World Cup, but it's football for the European. If you want to color your lace, you click on Color tab. It's just for the lace, so I program it. So if you want it black, you just click on the black, you load, and you apply. You don't see the shader, you right click and it will appear. You want to do the color yourself, you clean, but you want, for example, red, like that, you apply. You can save it, so you click here and save. It will save. You want it back, another color, for example, you load and you apply. Okay? You can clear. That's it. This is the way how to adjust and use the HUD. Also, you can color the sock with the applier. It's easy. You can put the sock the color you want. And listen to the video. It will teach you step by step how to use it with your mesh body and how to use your HUD to make it work. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.